On the Ebonyi State, Governor Umahi has alleged fears and suspicion in some quarters that a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction will break up the country. Umahi, who spoke when he hosted some progressive governors to a dinner party in his country home, Uburu, Ohaozara Council area of his state, insists that, contrary to the impression, Igbos are rather true bridge builders and will never cede from the country if they get to power.
Governor Umahi welcoming the chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum and the serving governor of Kebbi State, Atiku Bagudu, his Jigawa State counterpart, Muhammad Badaru, and the former governor of Jigawa State, Saminu Turaki, as well as the chairman of Debt Fund, Kashim Ibrahim-Imam, to his hometown, Uburu, in Ohaozara local government area. The dignitaries have journeyed from the northern parts of Nigeria to fraternize with Governor Umahi and the people of Ebonyi State of the southeast region of the country on the occasion of the Christmas festivities. Umahi, recalling the long-standing relationship that once existed between the Igbos and the people of northern Nigeria, says it is a desire that such be revived for the sake of the unity of the country.
The Igbo man is a bridge builder. The Igbo man has a lot of properties all over the north. And I tell people, for the sake of the unity of the country, try them for 4 years, sir. Anybody you want to choose, try them for 4 years. If the person is doing Igbo Presidency, he will end up wanting all this, But I can assure you that we are not going anywhere.
The visitors in their separate speeches took notice of the infrastructural transformation in the Ebonyi State under Governor Umahi, but beyond that, described him as an ambassador of Nigeria unity.
We are very proud of him.
Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Abakaliki.